chicada. Tomato potato. Baba Black Sheep shares its melody with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and the alphabet song and apparently a French song called...
Well, this is a bit of a weird angle. I'm just hiding in the staff lounge where no one goes, enjoying a coffee and quiet and basically being inside of a shoebox that just the only sound is the ventilation, and it's kind of the best. Yeah. It's Wednesday, just before 12 o'clock. And I'm having a bit of a day. I will be honest. I should know better now that going out for a couple of drinks on a Tuesday, which is typically trivia night, never bodes well for me. I always feel like crap the next day. Even if I have like 1 pint of beer, I'm always super tired. Yeah, this whole week feels kind of like not, I was about to use the word manic, but not manic. It just feels discombobulated, maybe. And yeah, I think it's just after being away for most of last week doing staff training, being back at work means that I just have a lot of things to catch up on, and I feel like at home there's a lot of things to catch up on, and yeah. I'm grateful that this afternoon I'm basically off desk, so that means I don't have to necessarily be out on the floor, which will be good. I have a lot of things I need to catch up on and that I've been neglecting. I'm looking forward to this evening when I can just maybe take a moment to breathe a little bit. And I need to meal prep. That's the problem. I don't have enough food. I don't have enough. Yeah. I just need to do that. So tonight will be good. I will spend my time cooking and knitting for a bit, and yeah. Hopefully along the way today my mood will perk up and I'll be more, I don't know, upbeat instead of like, oh, can I just go back to bed, please? I'm the yeah, keeping it real here, friends, on the KNITLIB channel, keeping it super, super real. So it's the end of the day, and well, it's actually 9 o'clock at night, so really the end of the day, and I'm finally eating supper now. I held true to my promise from this morning when I was super hungover and feeling super grumpy that I was going to eat something delicious for supper, and that is this, which is sheet pan ginger garlic tofu with broccoli and red pepper on a tiny bed of quinoa. So small amount of food. I'm really excited to eat it. This is a slightly adapted recipe from the website Pinch of Yum. I'll put the link to it down below. But this recipe, I think they initially called for chicken, but I decided to go with tofu, and it is good. Yes, it smells good. I'm gonna eat it now.